Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw your money through Underdog Fantasy Sports app. So let's get started. So to withdraw that, you have to follow this easy step. Just open your Underdog Fantasy app. Okay. So right here you have to make the account. First log in with your account, or if you have a like a friend or a sign up like old account, just log into them and to uh, just for withdraw money you should put your correct account detail and other things, and it should be not use of any cheating. For example, if you have take any bet and if you know the answer, if you don't lose any time, so the app will basically ban your id and you could not. So basically you have to play fair and you will withdraw your money, they will withdraw your money. So by this way you can do it, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.